Welcome back, friends. Today I'm going to show you a super handy technique that'll let you add Telegram group members from one group into another. If you run multiple groups for work, study, or just for fun, and want to keep your members connected across both spaces, this walkthrough is exactly what you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly create a second group and populate it with members from your first group, saving time, minimizing manual work, and keeping your communities tight-knit. Let's dive right in. First, take a look at your existing Telegram group. Maybe you've got a study team, a book club, or an interest community. Whatever it is, you probably already have members and they're actively chatting. Now maybe you want to make a new group for a different topic, a different class, or just a separate discussion area, but you want a lot of the same people inside. No problem. Your first step is to create a new group. On Telegram, you'll start by going to the main menu, usually those three lines at the top left corner. From there, select New Group. Now you'll be prompted to add at least one member to get started, so just add yourself or anyone as a placeholder for right now. Next, you'll need to name your new group. Give it a clear, descriptive name so everyone knows what this group is about. For example, if your current group is Book Lovers 2024, maybe this one could be Book Lovers Discussion Zone. Think about what will make sense for your members and help them recognize the group at a glance. Once you've named your new group and it's created, let's head into the settings to manage it. You do this by opening the group chat, tapping on the group name at the top, and then selecting Manage Group. This is like your group's control panel. Here you can add members, change group info, set permissions, and more. To add members, look for the Add Members option. Here, where the magic happens, you'll see your list of contacts and existing group members. At this point, what you want to do is select the same people who are already in your first group. Telegram makes this easy if those people are in your contact list. If they're not, and you're an admin in both groups, you can add people by username or share an invite link. Take your time here, it's worth double-checking that you're including everyone. Sometimes it helps to keep both groups open in separate windows, or jot down the list of users so you don't miss anyone. As you go through and select members, Telegram will prompt those people to join the new group, or automatically add them if your settings allow. This process might take a few moments, especially for larger groups, so don't worry if it feels slow. If someone doesn't accept the invite right away, that's totally normal, especially if they're busy. The important thing is you've made it easy for them to find and join. Why is this step key? Because manually adding people from scratch can be tedious, and using Telegram's built-in features helps keep everything organized and efficient. This method also prevents you from accidentally missing members and ensures your new group starts off with the same strong community as your first one. And that's really all there is to it. You've now got a brand new Telegram group with your original members all ready to chat, collaborate, and share. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment if you have any questions or need more tips about managing Telegram groups. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials on messaging apps and digital tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.